Good morning, Jim from Thunderbolt Lock, and we're here today to show you an installation that we just completed on a 2023 GMC Savana, same vehicle as the Chevy Express. We've located the lock case in the passenger rear door. It fits in about this location behind the panel. Since this vehicle has rear glass, we've mounted our override knob down low in the door, and our lock housing. The rear door is quite forgiving, so you have a lot of different areas here that you can mount it. We always recommend to use our support bracket for the back of the lock housing itself. So this trim plate will slide from inside the door over the lock bolt housing, and then you rivet through the front and you secure the plate so that the metal of the door is sandwiched in between on the lock housing itself. On the passenger door, we've installed the strike plate over the receiving hole for the deadbolt to strike into. Once the Thunderbolt lock is installed on the rear door, if someone was to compromise the factory lock cylinder, which is extremely easy on this vehicle, this is what the thief will run into. Instant locking of that door, extremely secure. And this van, being a sliding side door, is unique because there's very limited room to mount the housing on the sliding door itself. We have specific measurements available that will tell you where to drill to mount that housing. Once that housing is installed and you use the marking gum, you're going to find that the strike location is low in the C-pillar, and the strike plate that we attach over the hole itself, we rounded this edge. With a small hammer, we just tapped and rounded that edge so that the door clears without obstruction. If anybody has any questions, they can always give us a call. We appreciate your business. Thanks very much.